We are looking into the processing time from the source, in our case in data warehouse, to the model or the cubes. And what we have are 100 million transactions in the data warehouse and very few 250 dimensional tables, where every size is 150 bytes of the model. The average processing time of the tabular is 500 seconds compared to the 1000 in multidimensional, which means we are processing data twice as fast in the tabular compared to the multidimensional. Now then we are making things even harder for tabular. What we do is we split this 100 million tables and we take just 50 million tables. So these 50 million tables in transactions are the same. Now we create dimensional table, document number, with only document number accompanied in data source, with a very small information of that record. So the total number of our average table size shrinks from 150 to 90. Total number of records stays the same, 100 million. However, the processing changes a lot. Now, tabular has to process less data and can manage well these distinct requests that it's reading the values from, and it takes 300 seconds to process the 100 million project. Now, multidimensional really suffers on recognizing the distinct value in dimensions, definitely, and increases the time from 1000 seconds to 1500 seconds. So the difference in the processing right now we have 5 times. In real life, it really depends on the structure. We have just shown one example of how the processing can change. Now the question, what if we put this source, in our case SQL, into the Columnstore? Would that be faster? The answer is no, it would not be, because Columnstore performs, if you measure it, the same range as the Rowstore, the original fact table or dimension table, and the Rowstore, for a simple reason. If you're using a Columnstore for retrieving the information, not in the terms of I want to copy it to memory and then I do it further on, then it doesn't give an edge over the multidimensional. If we would be querying in the terms of give me the subset of sales for particular date or so on, of course it could be 10 or 100 times faster than multidimensional. But in this case, as a source, the answer is no.